Welcome to the Keycard Shell UX video series. In this video, we'll import a recovery phrase into the Keycard. If you already have an Ethereum address and want to use it with Keycard Shell, you'll need to import your recovery phrase to the Keycard. Use the virtual keyboard and arrow keys to select letters. Press the orange OK button to input each one. The Shell virtual keyboard is designed to minimize button presses and help you enter words faster. Letters that don't match any word from the BIP39 word list appear inactive. A focused frame will skip over those, letting you move quickly to the relevant letters. This design eliminates typing errors. Every word you enter will always match a valid word from the list. When navigating between rows, the focus automatically jumps to the nearest active letter. There are two ways to confirm a word. If the correct word appears directly in the input field, hold the OK button to confirm and move to the next word. Alternatively, select the correct word from the suggestions below the input. You only need to enter your recovery phrase once, but this is the part of any hardware wallet setup that requires the most focus. With Shell OS, we've designed this flow to be smooth, efficient, and error-proof. After you confirm the last word, your key pair will be imported to the Keycard. The recovery phrase is not stored on the Keycard, and the private key never leaves it. This design preserves your security and privacy. Store your recovery phrase in a safe place and never share it with anyone. In the next video, we'll connect your Keycard Shell to a software wallet like MetaMask or Rabby. Have questions? Visit keycard.tech